How to use Squarespace for dropshipping. Hello, welcome to our channel, WebWiz, and in this tutorial, I will teach you how to create a dropshipping website for your business on Squarespace. So please watch through the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out rightly the Squarespace website using the link down there in the video description below. And without further ado, let's get started. So first, as you can see on our previous videos about Squarespace, this is a website builder platform, just like Ecwid and Wix website, where you can create a bunch of a website style, whether it's an online store website, real estate, or rental website, something or just like a restaurant website or entertainment website, any types of website you would create right here. So now we're going to create a dropshipping website. So as we can see, dropshipping is one of the best way to earn money because it's just like a selling without keeping the goods, and you're just let your supplier do the rest, and you're just earning easy money from that. So now we are going to create a dropshipping website using Squarespace. So rightly away, we know what type of website we're going to create. Of course, it's an online store. So to want to find the templates for that, just click online store right here, and you will see a bunch of online store templates that you can use for your dropshipping website. So you can choose any of these templates and customize them as you want. But you still need to choose the your preferred style of website that is perfect for your dropshipping business. So for example, you're selling a foods. So yeah, this is the best one. So I'm just going to choose this. So let's preview this one. And as you can see, this is the final look of the website, and there's already a products right here that you can choose, and you can just edit this if you want. If you want to use this, or for example, I want to use this one for my, for example, company, dropshipping company. So I'm just going to start with this design, and it will, redirect me to the editing page, as we know. So first, you will need to provide the company name. So if you have a dropshipping company, you can just, use your company name. For example, Dropper, this is my company name. So let's click continue, and you can just continue this one. It doesn't need to be tell. So as you can see rightly here, you will have a option to edit all of these things right here on the website tab. So this is the website tab. And also you can go to the selling, marketing, contacts, analytics, and scheduling tabs if you want. And they provide a bunch of function that is helpful for improving your business or your website. And yeah, that's it. And if you want to edit your, for example, the interface of your website, you can just click this one, site style, and it will show you a bunch of options. So for example, you can change the font size, or the fonts itself. So for example, you can just switch the font from Poppins to whatever font you want that is, in your style. So for example, I'm just going to pick this one. And after you pick that one, all of the text should, change to that font. So if you go back, you can also change the size of the text and also the colors of the page. You can also change this one. Whatever it suits you, you can all edit the interface rightly here. So you can add animations or to make your website more cooler. And also you can add spacing. You can edit the spacing, page width, site margin, etc., etc. Also, you can add buttons, and yeah, that's it. That's all you can, edit in this site styles, and it's all family friendly editing. Anyone can do this because it's easy. So if you want, you can close this and save your changes. Or if you want to edit each of this manually, you can click the edit one, this button. It will redirect you again to the editing windows. So this one will appear where you can change the pictures. As I said earlier, you can replace this one by clicking it and click edit. and you can add an image and replace this one to your product, for example. So this template that I chose already have pictures and also information about the products, and you can just add it. So for example, buy the book, also the contacts, etc., etc. You can just edit this based on your company. So just click save and go back again, and that's how you edit your website. So now let's go to the selling one. If you go to the selling tab, right here you can add your product. So if you go to product, they will ask you what types of product you're selling. It is a physical product, for example, it's a service or a gift card, video on demand, member site, scheduling, course, etc., etc. You can add one. So for example, you're selling a physical product, you will need to provide the product information, the name of the product. For example, I'm just going to my dropshipping company is about selling clothes, for example. So yeah, so product name, Nike clothes, for example. You can add the image of the clothes and upload the file and click next. So here you can just, input the price of the product, certain product, for example, 300 something. And also the stock, you can edit this. Or if you want unlimited stock, you can turn on unlimited stock right here. So you can add more details. So the price, the SKU, and also the variants. You can sell other variants of this product. You can add it right here. And also the fulfillment for files, and also setting tools, related products. You can also turn this function, and the CEO URL. So with that, you can improve the popularity of your website through the browser, so that all of the products, your products, can be seen on the browser itself. And also the checkout thing, you can also edit this one if you want customized button. Yeah, you can turn this once so that you can customize the checkout button, and also the subscription. You can also do this one. And after that, you can just click save of your product, and right here your product is now added. So if you go to this product tab, you will see all of your added products in your website. And yeah, you can just also go to the orders tab, where you can see all of the products that is being ordered by the customers, and also the discount, invoicing, and also selling tools. You can also see this right here. And if you go to the marketing tab, so this is where you can grow your audience. So give your site visitors a way to subscribe. So right here, you can use a email marketing something. You can just use email campaigns, marketing tools, and marketing resources. You can just, have input promotional pop-up in your website. You can add a CEO appearance of what the appearance of your CEO. You can add announcement bars so that they can see the announcement of your website. And yeah, that's it. That's how marketings work, right? So we all know that. So let's just go to the contacts. So here in contacts, you can, see all of your subscribers that you made, all the leads you made, the customers, first-time customers, and repeat customers. You can manage all of that. And also you will you can find their contacts, so that you can just for example, email, so that you can manually email them if you have an announcement, or if you can ask them if they want to purchase again. Yeah, something like that. So of course, there's also donors that you can find, and also form submitters, and that's all for the contacts. And if you go to the analytics, so as we said in the previous videos, this is where you can manage your data. For example, the visit, the percentage of your visit, the bounce rate, so how often they visit your website, and also the unique visitors, so trusted companies like that. So, and also the page views, you can also manage right here, so that you keep tracking, you can keep track of your website. And if you go to the scheduling, this is the best important part of the dropshipping website, so that once your customers orders online, so you can see, if I just going to input my business title, and of course the site, the URL. So for example, right here, as I said earlier, the scheduling is the one of the most important in dropshipping company, because this is where part when your customers will find an appointment, for example, buying product. So duration of minute, how much long it will take to buy a product, for example, 20, or how long it will take to receive the product, for example, and how much is the product or the fee of the delivery. So you can just add it if you want. Also, your availability, so that your customers will find what day or when they have to, order in your website. Yeah, they will all, find it right here in your scheduling one. And they can all see this in your website if you input it there. And you can just connect your, bank details, so that use this to receive payment. And yeah, that's it. And if we go back to the website thing, so as you can see, this is just the blog page of my website. And if you want to edit your store, you can just go to the shop and, edit this one. You can put all of the products right here. For example, I'm just going to edit the store. And if I click this one, the product that I made, if I check this one, as you can see, it will start, this window will appear, and you can choose the layout of your product, so that if I click full, so this is what my product will appear, right? So it doesn't have a picture because I didn't input any image on that, but that's it. You can just check it right here on your store, and yeah, it will appear right here on the store page or shop page. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can just, add another products right here, so that they can see all of your products. And, you can just edit any of this page you want. You can just edit if it suits you. You can add contacts, etc., etc. Yeah, that's it. That's how you edit your website fully. And in order to, publish this one, you will need to subscribe to a higher plan, because it's just published privately, and the only way that your customers can see your website is by clicking the link. And this website that I created is not visible on the browser itself publicly, but if I subscribe to a higher plan, for example, the business plan, which is a $23 per month, yeah, I can publish my website publicly, and people can see my website on browser. And as I input my CEO, if you add CEO, as I said earlier, as I discussed earlier, they will see my website more presentable on the browser and more catchy, so that they know that my website is trustable. And yeah, that's it. And yeah, that's how you create a drop shipping website on Squarespace. And that's pretty it. It's just like an online store. And yeah, that's it. And that's all for this tutorial. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and see you in the next one. Bye.